In this video I will mention some of the most common problems that 2018 to 2024 Toyota Camry vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. Some of these models tend to experience a shift fault in the automatic transmission. When this fault occurs, the transmission shifts gears suddenly, or the transmission experiences harsh shifting conditions causing the car to shake. Or sometimes the transmission skips gears. This issue is normally solved by reprogramming the transmission control module with the newest update. Number 2. Some 2018 and 2019 models were recalled in the US due to defective vacuum pump. When this pump malfunctions or fails, the brake pedal becomes hard to push due to the absence of brake assist, and the warning message shown on the screen appears on the dashboard. The repair consisted in replacing the faulty vacuum pump with a new updated vacuum pump that meets the manufacturer's quality specifications. Number 3. The water pump in some of these vehicles is prone to experience premature failure. When this pump malfunctions or fails, it causes the engine temperature to exceed the normal operating temperature, and the engine coolant temperature gauge will display the higher than normal temperature, as well as the message shown on the screen displaying on the instrument panel. The problem is solved by replacing the defective water pump with a new pump that meets the quality specifications. Number 4. Some 2020 to 2022 models were recalled in the US due to the possibility of the vehicle experiencing a short circuit in the occupant classification system. This issue can prevent the front passenger airbag from deploying during a collision. The message shown on the screen may be displayed on the dashboard when this sensor malfunctions. The repair consisted in replacing the front and rear passenger seat occupant sensors with new updated sensors that meet the quality specifications. Number 5. The OEM batteries in some of these vehicles are prone to experience premature failure. When the battery has lower cold cranking amps than the minimum required, it causes the engine not to turn over, and as a result the engine won't start. Even though the issue is usually caused by a defective battery, it is always recommended to check the vehicle for parasitic drain that could be draining the battery when the vehicle is not being driven. Number 6. Some of these vehicles tend to experience drive start control system issues. When this system malfunctions, there is a delay in acceleration when pressing the accelerator pedal. The vehicle fails to accelerate or accelerates suddenly. The problem is usually solved by performing a software update. Number 7. The infotainment system is prone to malfunction in some of these vehicles, causing connectivity or Bluetooth system issues such as audio output, microphone or navigation system issues. The problem is usually solved by performing a software update. Number 8. Some of these vehicles tend to experience vibration noises inside the cabin. These continuous vibration noises tend to be present inside the dashboard or from behind the glove compartment or behind the door frames. Oftentimes this issue is caused by loose bolts and fasteners. Tightening the loose bolts usually solves this pesky problem. Those are some of the common problems that 8th generation Toyota Camry vehicles are prone to experience.